Guys, hello, we've got a penny stocking analysis update, and I'm actually 5 weeks into the market prep course. I wouldn't really call that, the market prep course is just sort of the poor man's challenge, really. So, I mean, I guess I could probably do the challenge right away, but the problem is, I do a lot of other things, and it would require me selling things. A vehicle of mine that I really enjoy, just getting, a shitty vehicle. So it's up to myself really to, get that going. I've recently got a promotion at work, so that's going to make, earn me probably 20 grand more a year. So I'm thinking to myself, learn the trading process, 6 months or so, because I'll start next month at the job. So that's my process, and just save up and then do it like that. Now, guys, what I wanted to do here was bring up my statement. This is just a demo account, so it's, you can hack my fucking Interactive Brokers demo account if you really want to. So, that's not really, it's not really doing it though. What about custom date range? Custom date range. What is Monday? Let's see if this works. Okay, it's not really loading up, is it? It's just like, fuck you, Scott. What I'll do is I'll post this up as a screen grab, as a screeny. So what trades did I take? I took HDSN, I believe. Let's see if it actually will. I think it was just HDSN. It's not even. It's being putrid. Let's try it again. Year to date. I don't want customized. Might work. We'll just let it load. I think it's only really been a $10 week, to be honest. I took a trade. It might have been Thursday night. It was a 10.25 played at 10.30, and that was on HDSN, I believe. So, and it hung around 10.30. And then, crashed down. I noticed Tim took it. I might have taken an XXII trade earlier on in the week. Let's find out. Let's find out. Let's go, because this isn't working. Sorry about how it's not working, guys. But I mean, I guess that's life. We'll go to the dashboard. And shout out to all the guys and girls studying. If you watch my videos over the weekend when you got some free time, thank you. I'm just a normal guy. I did a forklift course today, 7 till 3. Stayed up last night on the markets because obviously I'm in Australia, so it's, I don't sleep the whole night though. It's a good thing in a way because you shouldn't watch the charts all day. I don't want to. That's not what I want. That's not what I want. That's why I don't do trading to be a slave to the screen. I'm not about that. So nothing's going on the first hour and a half or so. No. I don't care. I'm not going to stay up. I really don't. So if I'm in an active trade and it's, doing stuff, but typically I'm in and out of trade. So I do penny stocks. My Forex stuff is longer term stuff. So I don't, the penny stock thing is more short term stuff. All right. This guy, first account. Yeah, man, well, you should be trading with real money if you're not ready, homie. All right. Okay, so $8 on the 10th. Normally no trades. All right, so no trades. Nope. No trades. Kept me cool. So it was just HDSN on the 10th. So it was this Thursday night, guys. So it was a quiet week. I don't do pre-market stuff as well, so I didn't get into anything, but we'll go to the HDSN trade. Let's go to maybe the 30-minute, maybe the hourly. So we'll go, it was the 10th, so this is the 10th. So it spiked up, and the high of the day was around, it was 10.42, but it really hovered around, like we go to the 15-minute chart, and it just did not want to break the 10th. There it is, yeah, so it spiked up and then it crashed down. So just hovered around there for a few minutes. So that's why, I thought it was gonna continue going. There was a lot of volume. There was a lot of interest. It was a good earnings play, but just the whole market environment. Tim brought this up. I think might have been like Friday morning pre-market. So, but yeah, that's just how the week's been. I haven't really taken any real trades, and I saw there was a few Bitcoin moves with I think Tim took Roland, made a nice play, and Mark Crook as well. So, but I knew there was stuff going on that Friday. I know Bitcoin had moved a lot. I followed that. I traded a little bit. I have a few, positions in that, and it's a speculative thing, and I have no expectations, but it's been moving pretty nicely. So, I enjoy that. But yeah, so it was. I didn't really research in depth. Friday was a big day for me, and it was like a 7 till 4 course, and then I came home and this and that, and so I didn't really have prep time. But that's life. But anyway, guys, really a break-even week. I'm 5 weeks into the course now. I've got through the Tim fundamentals part deux and the penny stocking part deux as well, and what I do is there's a 60-day lesson feature. So I'm with Penny Stocking Silver member as part of my market prep thing. So, and every day you get a video sent to you for 60 days. So I'm doing that as well. I'm doing the video lessons, and that is a good learning process. But I'm finding being around market open with a demo account is key, and planning your trades, being disciplined. It's extremely important. So you've got to have that background knowledge though as well, and study the past. That's pretty key, I'm finding. And it's just learning the nuances of the various sectors and then the particular stocks as well, and going back through like a daily chart through the history and doing the cycle sliding scale. That's pretty key. Then looking for catalysts as well. And it's not the traditional earnings winners, it doesn't seem to be the huge mover sometimes, you know what I mean? Like it might just crash on you, might quick spike, and then for me, that's hard for me to play that. I'm more of a breakout guy, so if it breaks through resistance, like I've been watching XXII a little bit, but it did hit 230. I saw close of the day yesterday, but I missed that because that's 3:34 in the morning for me, and like I said, I had a course on today, so I might need to start going to bed at like 11, waking up at 3, get the close, and then wake up a little bit later, like 4, like 8 o'clock in the morning or something. But anyway, that's something I'm going to have to deal with, guys. But thank you for watching. I'm 5 weeks into the market prep course. I would have loved to get to Sydney as well. I'm going next week for a Forex masterclass with Walter Peters as well. So, yeah, I mean, if you don't know, just Google search Walter Peters, and he's not as, I wouldn't say he's as good as, self-promotion, to be honest. He's a quieter guy. He's very wealthy, though, so that should be interesting. But, I'll mention to him what I'm doing here, and might get some feedback on how to approach, because it's really shorter term trading that you're doing here. I mean, there's overnight holds potentially, but, anyway, I'm dribbling on, guys. I hope everyone has a great weekend. Keep up the weekend study, and keep learning and earning. All right, see you guys.